My name is Pawan and I welcome you all towards our YouTube channel. And today we'll be learning about in cyber law as part of your AIB exam, which is happening tomorrow. Quick rapid revision of at least 15 questions from cyber law. It's a quick rapid revision round, just like 15 minutes if you're able to spend 2 marks, aramse you'll be getting. So now let's quickly get started. In which of the following cases, Section 66A of the Information Technology Act 2000 was struck down by the Supreme Court? Remember that I repeated this again and again. It was actually in Shreya Singhal versus Union of India case. Never forget it. Take a screenshot of it. So for example, and it was actually in Bombay or Maharashtra, where Bombay side, where one of the politicians was passed away, and then Shreya Singhal, she was a law student. She quickly took a photo. She commented that, telling that, no, why is there a public holiday? Because of that, it's obstructing my work or something like that. And then people now was really outraged with her comment, and she went to the Supreme Court, and the case was like, see, under Shreya Singhal, there is Article 19. Okay, freedom of speech and expression. She can communicate whatever she likes. But until if it's not affecting any kind of sovereignty or anything. So in this particular case, they struck down Section 66A of the Information Act. The second case about in which of the following case an electronic record shall not be attributed to the originator as per the IT Act 2000. Okay, so there are four options given: electronic record sent by the originator himself, electronic record sent by the unauthorized person, electronic record sent by an unauthorized system programmed by him, electronic record sent by an unauthorized person. So these are the four options being given. See, the thing is about, even though Barak you have in your hand, certain things you will not be able to answer it. But I want you to apply a common sense. So what is the question telling? It's telling about in which of the following cases an electronic record shall not be attributed to the originator as the Information Act 2000. So very simple. The option is D. Electronic record sent by an unauthorized person. That cannot be authorized. That cannot be what attributed. It cannot be attributed to the originator as per the Information Technology Act. Okay. Only if the originator is giving, it's fine. But if somebody else, an unauthorized person, is giving, then it cannot be considered. Now, let me quickly go to the third question. Mr. A, who was aggrieved by an order made by the controller of an adjudicating officer, made an appeal to the cyber appellate tribunal. Later, Mr. A, aggrieved by the order of the cyber appellate tribunal, may prefer an appeal to the high court. So for example, if you're aggrieved by the cyber appellate tribunal, if you're not satisfied with the cyber appellate tribunal ka decisions, then you can go to the high court. That's possible. Now the fourth important question is about Mr. X, a person who is intended by Mr. Y, an originator, to receive the electronic record, is under the IT Act known as dash, is known as addressee. Remember, this is a very simple question. Mr. X, a person who is intended by the Mr. Y, an originator, to receive the electronic record, is under the IT Act known as addressee. So if I am basically known as an originator or to receive that particular electronic record. So as an originator, if I'm receiving that particular electronic information, then I will be called as an addressee. Remember, very simple. Fifth question. Cybercrime is dash in nature. Is it tangible or intangible? Tangible means something which you can touch and feel. In cybercrime, can you touch and feel? No. In cybercrime, it is something called as intangible, which you cannot touch and feel. Cyber law deals with three important aspects: all activities concerning the internet, IPR, e-commerce, all of the above. E-commerce, shopping mall, to everything it is there. IPR, intellectual property. Even cyber crime also happens, in the IPR domain also. Intellectual theft, stealing. Because of AI, don't even say about it. All activities concerning the internet are also of cyber law. Now, Section 66A of the IT Act was held unconstitutional in the case of, this is a repeated question, Shreya Singhal versus Union of India case. Please do not make a mistake over here. Eighth question, an attempt to acquire sensitive information such as username, password, and credit card details, and sometimes indirect money by masquerading as the trustworthy entity in an electronic communication, is known as phishing. So phishing is very simple. I hope you understood. No, you're taking the sensitive information of the password, username, credit card details. It is known as the phishing. Very simple pointers it is. Okay. Ninth question, the authentication to be affected by the use of asymmetric crypto system and hash function is known as public key, private key, digital signature, electronic governance. So remember that the key over here is about the use of asymmetric crypto system and the hash function. So if you observe, you just need to by heart this. It is always the digital signature. Okay. As tomorrow's exam, just remember this particular thing. It is one of the most repeated question. Now, the cyber terrorism under Section 66F shall be punishable. Let me go directly to the answer. Okay, with imprisonment, which may extend to imprisonment for life. Then, until imprisonment for life, it is possible to be punished for this particular thing. Now, again, 11th question, as I said, you share single case is repeating again and again. Keep that also in the mind. 12th question is about which section of the Information Technology Act 2008 deals with the validity of contracts formed through the electronic means. So very simple. When such kind of question is given, go to your barrack, look at the index page. Jo bhi index page, it's basically been mentioned. I want you to do what something very important. That is about go to the index page, check very clearly on the validity of the contracts. If you observe 10A, it's clearly mentioned as validity of a contract. Just make sure that you're just writing it down. That's it. Which chapter of the cyber law provides for legal recognition to digital signatures? Similar way. Guys, this is a very easiest question. You should be knowing it without fail. Okay. Without fail, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4. Look at your index page of your IT Act. Chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4. You will find this chapter 3 very clearly mentioned. So there itself directly you can select this answer. Okay, nothing much confusing. Which act is covered by the cyber crimes? So it is the Information Technology Act. Okay, keep that in the mind. The Information Technology Act was enacted in which year? It was in 2000. Look at your barrack. The book itself beginning by 2000. So just keep that in the mind. So I hope these 15 questions, if you're able to go through, that would be more than enough. Wish you all the best. Good luck. I'm sorry to move this here and there. Make sure that at least you get in 2 marks for this subject without fail. All the best. Good luck. And this is me, Pawan, signing off. Take care. Goodbye.